Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to merge two cells in Word table. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we create a table in this document. Firstly, we go to the insert menu and click table option. Then create a table. Now we can see here we create a table. Now we merge two cells in this table. Firstly select two cells, click and drag on your mouse. Then go to the layout option. Now we can see here menu option. Now we find and click the merge cells option. Now we can see here we merge two cells very easily. We try some another cells. Again select two cells and click merge cells. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.